So today I'm going to do the unboxing for the CLUBHOUSE wig stand. This is the wig tripod stand. This is 64.6 inches. So I'm gonna cut it. It came packaged like this, and yeah, so let's just cut it and unbox it. So when you open it up, it comes in its own case. So this is very, very important to me because when I travel or go anywhere, I can just carry my case like this, and this is so important. It's very durable. The material is so durable, and it comes in a Velcro case like that. And when you unwrap it, you have all these pieces. So this is the tripod base, and then the extension of the tripod to make it longer. This is it. So we're gonna get the base, stand the base up like this. So one other thing that comes with it, it also has pins. So there are pins for if you want to do wigs and stuff. You have pins right here. They're just T-pins. Okay, so let's figure this out. I'm saying, so first of all, let's try and figure out putting this first. So if I put this piece with this piece first and lock it in, so you can see this piece goes really well together. So we're gonna lock this in, and now we're gonna figure out how to do this other piece. So this other piece, I'm going to extend it, move this like that, and try and slide this in. So now when I put this like that, I'm able to slide it. Let's do this here. Okay, so let's put that. Okay, so I'm able to slide that in like this and then lock it. Okay, so now we've locked it. So this is the wig part. You can see this is the stand already. So the wig part of it, I'm going to extend that up so that you'll be able to see it better. So these are my normal wig stands. So this is the clamp I have. So this is how my normal wig stand looks like, you can see. So I'm going to pretty much try and mimic the same thing for similar to my normal wig stand and wig clamp. I'm going to try and mimic the same appearance. So it will be something like this. Okay, so something like that. So let's try and do that right over here. So to do that, that will mean that this will come up like this. So you see, you're gonna sit it like that. So the screw part will appear underneath, but this part will appear on top over here. So then you're gonna try and screw this on it right there. So you're gonna screw this like that and tighten it. See, so now you have your wig stand. So when you loosen this part, this is movable. So as you tighten this part, that is when it's not movable. So I'm gonna make it straight and then tighten it, and then I'm gonna also tighten the stand so that it's not moving too much. So this is the, see, you want it so that it's tight, so that it doesn't move when you are using the wig stand. And then I'm gonna get my mannequin head. This is my mannequin head, which I also got from Amazon, and I can put my mannequin head in here and everything works. So I'll be able to work, I can work with it and move it whichever way I want. So this is it. This is the wig stand, and yeah, I hope you guys like this.